So some will call us innovators, some will call us mad, but most will just call us stupid. And let's just admit it, we are stupid. This was the 5.3 from the BMW that got blowed up. Hydrolocked the injector, we broke a rod. And then the rod just had a little heyday down here, just nailing into everything. And it punched a nice little hole right in the side of the skirt of the block. So what are we going to do? Well, of course, we're going to JB weld it. What else? You may ask why we're stupid enough to try this. Well, I introduced to you Project Hold My Beer. This is going to be our burnout engine. This is going to be our one-time use burnout engine. We just want to show you guys how stupid we can really be and how fun this can try to be. So we got, what, about 3 pounds of JB weld on there. It'll be fine. It'll do something. We're going to find out what it does. This motor's not here for a long time. It's here for a good time. Some of you may think this is just a really stupid thing to do, and you're probably right. But look at it this way. This thing is already blown up once, so it owes me absolutely nothing. If it doesn't blow up, I'll be upset. I want to see this thing go big. So guys, I am really interested to see how this one plays out. Will it hold?